Thaa kenda cia utuku nirio Mwiri wa Ken Okoth urutirwo moshari-ini ya Lee kuria uraigitwo ni gikundi kia andu matongoretio ni mutumia wake hamwe na muru wa nyina na watwarwo imwe kwa imwe nginyagia mwena wa Kariako kuria gucinagirwo. Andu a nyumba ya Okoth aria matanakuruhanio igongona-ini riri maugite ati mokira kiroko nirio matungirwo ni ndeto ati Okoth ni arikitie gucinwo undu uria na nyina mumuciari kuratuika ndekumenyaga.
This has turned to be something else. So Ken's mom have decided that tomorrow she's going to her rural home to do a ceremony and bury, according to our traditions, she's supposed to take like a stem for banana and bury it. So that just to show that a sign that she had a son and now the son is no more.
Ni mathiete na mbere na kuga ati o matire na thina na mwana uri urerikana nowe mwana wa mumwe wa Okoth na gutire hindi mangikana thakame yao.
Ken's mom was in a confusion and she was really pressurized to say things that are not true, and she's very sorry for what happened, but I believe Ken's mom really loves her grandson, and we are urging Anita to bring Ken's son to grandmom.
Igongona ria gucinwo kwa Mwiri wa Okoth ni undu tumurite ndereti nditu kundu gutiganite makiri iguru ria mathaa maria acinirwo aikaria Kibra kuria ararugamirire magithie na mbere na kuonania kwaga kuiganira na gitio kia muico kiria gitungitio mumbunge wao. Okoth akuire muthini wa kiumia kihituku thutha wa kuhotwo ni ndwari ya kansa. Ngiribotera Inooro TV ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Macharia.